Are you constantly bothered by back or neck pain? Were you in a car accident and just can't get rid of the constant aching? Do you frequently get headaches, nerve pain, numbness? If so, you've come to the right place. We are proud to be the premier local chiropractor, and getting our clients pain-free is our #1 goal. We have helped hundreds of clients greatly reduce or eliminate their pain in just a few sessions. Don't suffer another day. Contact us now to arrange a free, no-obligation chiropractic consultation and let us help get you on the path to becoming pain-free.